Good day, my friends. I'm forced to make that video because that platform is going nuts, really. Let me explain to you a bit what has happened for the few months back and what's going on now. That's absolutely crazy. A few months back, I don't know if you've noticed, some people that had a subscription on my channel have been taken down. And then YouTube couldn't give me an answer. Then after that, they removed all the link. So basically, people that want to help that channel, that link was not clickable anymore. They removed that. Then eventually, they taken down my channel. Why? I don't know. Then eventually, they reinstated my channel. It's a bit much. So as you know as well, all my channel, W123, W116, etc., I've made it all into one. Okay, so all those videos are now programmed up to the end of the year. Okay, so basically, if you want to see those videos, you can either wait, or the other solution is every day one is coming online, and that's it up to the end of the year. So if you are subscribed to the channel at the lowest possible option, then you can have access to those videos. And normally every day one is coming online. And what's going on is, I saw that for the past 10 days no comments is coming on those videos, and I thought that's strange, only on shorts. And I'm thinking that's weird, so I looked a little bit and I see that no video is coming online while they are programmed to go online automatically. So I thought that's weird. So yesterday I placed the video manually online, and obviously automatically I had some comments. So today obviously I've checked, no video are coming online again. So I placed it manually again, and the video vanished. Great. So I tried with another video, vanished again. Fantastic. I'm overwhelmed. So anyway, there's nothing I can do. The video are not coming out, and there's nothing I can do. It's completely out of my hands. That platform, I think, is going, I don't know what they're doing, but something is clearly going very, very wrong. So I'm saying it again and again and again. I repeat myself. Please, if you want to see my videos, if you want to have access to it right away, even the one that I programmed, go on Rumble or go on Odyssey, and you will have access to it immediately. Okay? At the same time, on Odyssey, there's no publicity, and or hardly any, and Rumble as well. I think it's 5 seconds, and that's it. And you can see the entire video without any more publicity. So that's it. As well, I've noticed another thing is that all the program video is basically set on the lowest possible subscription of the channel. Okay, because the highest one is obviously if people want to contact me, stuff like that. It's for something more specific. And so basically all the video to come, all the video that are programmed are set for the lowest possible. And YouTube, they've decided to change it to the maximum one. So now I've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of video to change, to revert back. And I don't know if I do that. I don't know if they will revert back again to Telegram. So I don't know what's going on with that channel, with that platform, to be honest. But I'm really sick and tired of YouTube, to be honest. So as I say, if you want to see the videos, if you want to have access to it, because they're not coming out now, I don't know why, and they disappear. So please go on Rumble or go on Odyssey, and you will have access to it, whatever you want to fix on your cars. Okay? So I'm very sorry at the moment. The video are not coming out, but it's completely out of my hand. I can't do anything about it. Okay, very sorry about it, but YouTube needs to know what they're doing with the platform. Okay, so once again, very sorry. I hope that problem will be resolved soon. Okay, take care.